Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a tour of our house as we have it decorated for Christmas of 2022. So I really hope that you enjoy. I know it's been similar to other years, but it's always fun to share with you guys how I decorate each and every year. So without further ado, here is the tour of our house for Christmas 2022. I hope that you guys enjoyed the tour. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, I would love to have you go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you can be updated every time I share a new and fun video. And I hope that you guys are all having a wonderful holiday season. Take care. Bye.